SuperMindz. Different rooms in a house. This is the living room. This is a place where the family watches TV and plays games together. This is the kitchen. This is a room where yummy meals and snacks are made. Dining room. This is the room where everyone eats dinner together. Bedroom. This is your personal room where you sleep. This is the bathroom, where you take a bath and brush your teeth. This is the guest room, where visitors can sleep. This is the home office where grown-ups do their professional work. This is the laundry room. This is a room where clothes get washed and dried. This is the garage, a room where the vehicles are kept. This is the basement, an extra space under the house for storage or play. This is the attic, a hidden room at the top of the house for storing old things. This is a playroom, a fun room just for playing with your toys. This is the home library, a quiet room full of books for reading. If you had fun today, give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure.